Hello everyone, happy new year to you and welcome back to my channel. So in this 2024, I'm into hair length retention challenge and I also want to see how long my hair is going to grow in the next 6 months. So before starting, I took a measurement and my hair is currently 12 inches long, and also the back of my hair is at the bra length. So to start this challenge, I'm going to be starting with two strand twists, and I will also be applying my DIY oil and other herbal product that I'll be using to grow my hair. If you want to follow in this journey and to see how I make this oil I'll be applying into my hair and other steps I'll be taking, please click on the subscribe button so that you will see my videos whenever I upload them. To achieve this twist, section your hair into four so that it can be easier to make, and also you will spend less time in making the twist. For the front section, it is good you make a straight cut or a box cut so that styling can be easier for you, because whenever your twist gets old, you will want to style it to make it look better. Now that we are done, just simply oil my scalp with my DIY oil. And here it is. Look at the product. Please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.